3D printed headphone holder? Yes, please. 150% size, you know it. When I went on Thingiverse, I saw that the original designer, Phil, has a new design, a few variations of that new design. You can see a few different sizes of screws, a few different sizes of holders. I'm printing it at 150%. I'll probably go with this one and this one. Got rid of everything except for my size. Let's go ahead and resize this to 150%. Scale, uniform scale, 150%. Bada boom. That's gonna be big. With the size being 150% of original, these headphone jacks will be oversized. Wow, look at the size of this thing. Let's see how many headphones it fits. 1, 2, 3. This beauty at 150% size fits 1, 2, 3 headphones. Thanks for watching. More to come.